Hi everyone, I'm Lala. Welcome. Today I'm really excited about this product review. Today I'm going to be reviewing, the product is called Nue Baby. Nue Baby is a business actually, and the product, I don't know what to call it besides like edges or baby hairs. They are baby hairs, like tattoos. They're like tattoos. You basically put them on like a tattoo, and you tap it with water, and then you peel off the paper, and you got laid edges or laid baby hairs. I picked up the 15 pack of a mix sets, so I paid a total of $40. I saw this on some Instagram page. Okay, so let me just tell you my problems. As you can see, now usually when I have my hair up like in a pony, I'll have like something laid out here, just it's minor compared to the looks that I've seen online of people doing them, and they just look so cute. And I always wanted that. It's just I don't have the time or the patience to do it all. So this is why I thought this would be interesting. Now, I'm balding. I'm 40. First of all, I'm 40. This right here is a synthetic pony. As you can see, I have thinning all here, but my hair used to be filled all right here. It used to be filled up. There was hair there before, but I have thyroid issues, diabetes, overweight, age, all that against me. And I also have issues with flaky skin or dried skin. My scalp is pretty much it's not good. It's not a good look. So most of the time I will try to grab some baby hairs or even cut baby hairs just to hide this part of my hairline that is receding. Basically, my forehead didn't used to be this big. All right, so I'm just sitting here riding on myself. I'm just talking shit about myself. Moral of the story is this intrigued me. So in the package I got, it's a mix set. You can go and buy 15 pages of the same one, or because she does have options, and that's really cool. I don't know their names. Their names are not on the back. There's not even directions. I'm just going by what I saw in the video, so I hope it'll work. Me and you are going to learn this together. So I believe there's 3 of each set. I don't know how many sets. Let's count them. So here's this. So 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 of these. 3 of these. 3 of these. It's going to be hard to decide which ones to put on. And then there's 3 of these. And then 3 of these. Now this is what I do with my hair already. So I'm not going to try these. There's 3 of them. I'm not going to try these. I'm going to try something different. And something that I would never, like, I could never do myself. That's the whole point, right? So this one's kind of cute. Okay, so there's that one. Or oh, I like that one too. I don't know. I like that one too. Okay. I don't want to go ham. I want to do subtle. So it's out of these 2 here. And I think I'm going to do this one. I think that'll be cute. Okay, so we'll try that one. Now, from what I saw, I'm going to need scissors and water and a sponge, because it goes on just like a tattoo. So how they did it was they cut along the edge, like, of the thing, right? Where's the bottom dough? Which one's the bottom? Would this be the bottom? So would it be like this? Or would it be like this? Oh, that might be too confusing for me. Let's see. I wish there was like an arrow or then even instructions on the back. Maybe I'll do this one. This one here. Because this is a clear, Okay. So I'm going to cut along. So should I flip the camera around so you can see what I'm doing and how I'm cutting it? So just cut along this. Like that. Not too close. that. But see, because as long as it is, right, this part is gonna be coming out of my ear. Take this off. So let me see. I'm gonna need it up here, probably, like right there. Okay, so let's just do it. Let's just do it. So I'm gonna peel off the film. All right, and then we want to put this like here. Well, once you stick it, you're done for. So, okay, and then you just wet it like a, you know, like a tattoo. I remember doing these, the tattoos, and using ice. That was always so easy to do with the ice, but the sponge feels like it's getting it pretty wet. You're probably going to want to do this before you apply your makeup for sure. Okay, so let's see. So, let's see if it's coming. No, oh no. Oh no. Ooh. 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 That part doesn't feel wet enough. That looks so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? Ah. That's kind of cute. I wish it was a little bit more this way, but that's cute. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, okay. Let's do this side. I'm so excited. Okay, so now I know. Put it more in. Lala, put it more in. Yeah, I'm going to put it more in. That's so cute. It doesn't hide. I got to take this part off, but it doesn't hide my bald spot though, you know what I'm saying? So it just tells me now, because this is just the test. This is just the test. So now I know I gotta go more in, and which that's what I'm gonna do with this one here. I'm gonna go more in like that. See how it's gonna be? That's different. That's gonna be way different, but that's okay. This is a learning curve. This is our first try, and that's okay because I got 14 more pieces. You know what I'm saying? So okay, it's all. It's already starting to slip off. Look, so let's go. Oh no. Oh no, there's too wet. Okay, those got too wet, girl. No. Like real edges, sometimes they just don't come out right. Okay. So we're gonna take that off. Should I just do a whole different style? Maybe. Oh man. I think it's stuck to like, it's not staying. Fuck. Let me go through here maybe. If it'll be just like, I just pull it off. Pull it off. I think I got it on the hair, that's why. That's why I got it too close. Okay, but ooh, bitch. Ooh, bitch. Ooh. Okay, this part definitely needs some help. But ooh. How do we get this to stick though? What happened? That's cute a little bit. Well, I don't like this. Let's look empty right here. Down. And just go with it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, but then it'll fuck up this part. Let's see if I do this. Look, lay it there. Like that. I wish that the Nue Baby people did a in detail, in-depth video to show us how to do what it needs to be done. You know, how far in to go in. You know, how to cut around the paper. How to hide the shine. You know. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go play with some makeup. All right. So I'm done with my makeup, and the powder, I mean, it took the shine away a little bit, but not really. And then also the edges, as you can see, like here, it looks like my face is peeling. So there's that. Now, I don't know how to get rid of that. I really don't know. I don't like that, you know, if it don't take, then you're just basically screwed. You know, like, this just looks funny because it just stops right there. And I'm trying to use like this, you know, method of the way I do my edges, but it's not taking. I don't know why it's not, but it's just not. And then you have here's this side. This looks a little bit better, but they just kind of they just begin out of nowhere. Do you know what I mean? Like, they're just there. They didn't cover up my spot. So I think I think this product is a learning curve. I think that next time I do it, I might like cut the piece here, place this one first here, and then just go, you know. And I also think that not all styles, I also think that not all styles are for everybody. Since I would be, you know, cutting it, I think the best style for me would be something like this. You know what I'm saying? Where you can cut piece by piece, but because like for something like this, I wouldn't be able to cut it. See, if I was to cut it here, you'll be able to tell. So, I mean, like I said, I think that you just need to think about what you want from this product. Do you mind it? Do you mind that it might look a little shiny? Now, this is with makeup on it. Let me get a wipey and just see if it'll wipe off. If I wipe it off, does it look less shiny? It looks a little less shiny, for sure. And then how long will they last? That's another thing. That's another question. But I just don't like how it just comes out of nowhere. Like, you see what I'm saying? It's not connected. And if you do connect it, this happens. It doesn't take. So, yeah. Do I regret spending $40? Absolutely not. No. I think that this is a fun little thing. I think it's good for, like, you know, while I'm doing a makeup look. I think it's like for pictures, it might be cute. Matter of fact, let me take a picture and see if there's like if the flash, you know, makes it look like it's fake. Okay, so from what I saw from the pictures, you could see the lifting. But again, I'm sure I mean, if I play with this a little bit more, I think it'll be cute. Again, I do not regret this purchase at all. I think it's a great invention. I think it's playful, it's cute, and I think that this might help some people feel a little bit more confident, because like even when I put this on, as y'all saw, my whole attitude changed. I think this one's way better than this one for sure. But yeah, those are my thoughts. I'm sure my thoughts are going to change as I use them longer and longer. All right, I hope this video was helpful. I will be linking the chick's website and her Instagram so you can go check it out yourself. And maybe I'll leave a comment for her, let her know, you know, hey, We're going to need directions. We're going to need a detailed video that you do. Put it on YouTube. Let us know exactly, you know, maybe the mistakes that people make, and help us to want to keep buying your product. Because if I get it down, I definitely will purchase more. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Bye. I wanted to share with y'all what happened. I just washed my face. I used a face cleanser, and this is what the result is. So, just so you can see, it doesn't stay. And it kind of, like, if I just rub like that with my fingers, like roll it, it'll start coming off. Much like the tattoos when you were a kid. So yeah, these are not something that are gonna, like, if you wash your face, it's not gonna stay. So, you know, I guess that's why you buy many instead of just one. And on the website, they never promise that, but I'm just telling you so you know, once you wash your face, it's pretty much, they're done. So, all right, well, I hope this was helpful.